Do you have piles and piles of paper that you have no idea what to do with? And you keep saying, yes, I'm going to get to it someday. I'll get to it someday. Someday never seems to come. Hi, I'm Sherry Curley. I am also known as the Practical Sort because I provide practical home organizing solutions in an eco-friendly way. I'm also an organizing motivator, speaker, and writer. And I understand when piles and piles of paper, clutter, cause you not to get the work done that you want to get done, leaves you with sometimes no place to sit, no place to relax, and little motivation to get it done. I am offering a workshop where we are going to meet to go through those piles of paper all together as a group to figure out what should you keep? What should you recycle? What should you shred? What should you get rid of so that you can have more room to do the work you want to get done with less time that it takes, to have more room for you to sit and to just chill out with less distraction, less paper clutter, less piles in your home. I would love for you to join me, but here's the thing. There's only 5 seats available in this course. So this way I have the time and the attention to give to you during this course to make sure that we get through those paper piles in a way that is going to work for you, in a way that you'll be able to sustain, so that you're not in this constant cycle of trying to figure out what to do with all these papers. The details are here at this link. You will find them at this paper pile purge workshop link. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to me at Sherry, that's Sherry, Sherri, at thepracticalsort, SORT.com, or you can find all of my details at thepracticalsort.com.